Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a delicious soup with cow foot and noodles. It's delicious. This was one of my grandmother's favorite. My grandmother used to love soup of any kind, but especially cow feet soup was one of her favorite. And I'm gonna try to make it just like her. So let's make that recipe step by step. If you are new here, I welcome you. We have traditional Dominican recipe in this channel, and we also have segment how to incorporate more fruit and more veggie to your meal. So let's make this recipe step by step. And I already washed the feet with vinegar and lime and a little bit of salt. And now I put it to boil, and I'm gonna add 3 bay leaf, 2 cloves of garlic, and some celery. Since I'm going to be making a soup with it, I like to add a little bit of celery in the beginning when I put it to boil, so the flavor of the celery is already imprinted on it boiling. And we're gonna let it boil until the meat is tender enough that you could poke it with a fork and it goes in and out easy. And I only had to add water one time after I put it to boil. And as you see, the fork goes in and comes out all by itself. So I'm gonna turn off the stove because that means it's already tender. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate the pieces, and I'm gonna let the water stay alone so I can remove all of the fat that is on the top of the water, and then we're going to make the soup. Now I'm going to remove all the oil. So here I have the vegetable that I'm going to be adding to the soup. I have pumpkin, I have cassava, chayote, and potatoes, and 2 carrots. I also have 3 corn, fresh corn, and I'm gonna wash all of these veggies and we're gonna add it to our soup. And here we have a pot with the water. It's already boiling, and I'm gonna add all of this veggie inside. And here we have adobo, an onion cut into pieces, 3 garlic cloves, black pepper, ajicito gustoso, dry thyme, dominican oregano, paprika, and turmeric. And here I have a nut with green onions, cilantro, and culantro, green pepper, Italian pepper, and red pepper. We're going to add it to our soup. And here I have about a cup of noodles, and I'm going to add it to our soup. And now we're going to add to our soup 2 branches or 2 stems of celery. I cut it in pieces. want you guys to see, this is the liquid where I put my cow feet to boil. I put it on the freezer, and now I'm gonna be removing all the fat that stays on the top and just add the liquid without the fat. And now we're gonna add the collagen, the liquid from the feet. We're going to add it to our soup. And our soup is already done. I just turn off the stove, and it have a nice thick consistency. I just had to add half of a chicken cube because when I taste it, always taste your food. It was missing like more, so instead of adding salt, I added half of a chicken cube, and the knot that I made with the cilantro. Look what happened. So I'm going to remove it and remove the cilantro and all of the leafy ingredients that I tied together, and we are ready to serve our soup. Please let me know in the comment what do you think about today's recipe, and if you will make this recipe at home for your family. I want you to check how nice this consistency. It's nice and thick, delicious, delicious, delicious. Let's serve.